How to update the app Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you update Discord app. So in order to update the Discord app, you need to follow this simple steps. So here, what you want to do is, first thing first, make sure you're connected to a stable internet, as you'll not be able to update the app if you're not connected to a stable internet. So open up settings, go to network and internet and click on internet and make sure you're connected to stable internet. Now, to actually begin with updating, you just want to exit out, open up your respective app store. Since I'm using Android, so I have to head to the Play Store, right? And if you're using iOS device, you want to open up App Store and then click the search or the magnifying icon and type in on the search bar Discord. Once you type in Discord, you want to look for these option that says update. When you find the option update, it means the update is available. Click that up, and while it is completely updated, or while it is completely finished the step, and then you could also hold on to your side button and then update and then restart your device. That's also going to help you out fix, or that's also going to help you out to run smoothly. So that's how you could update. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.